Pour baking soda to your feet. If you spend hours standing, walking, or managing a demanding schedule, foot fatigue isn't just uncomfortable. It places systemic stress on your entire lower body. This lukewarm apple cider vinegar and baking soda soak functions as an efficient, home-based therapeutic intervention to alleviate that stress. When your feet are subjected to repetitive impact or prolonged standing, the muscles, tendons, and plantar fascia build up tension and microscopic inflammation. Immersing your feet in a lukewarm bath instantly initiates vasodilation, improving localized blood flow to deliver oxygen and sweep away metabolic waste products that cause throbbing and stiffness. The addition of apple cider vinegar introduces organic acids that help balance the skin's microbiome and alleviate localized inflammation, while the baking soda acts as a mild alkalizing agent to soothe nerve endings and ease muscle soreness. Together, this combination works synergistically to reduce the heavy, aching sensation of physical fatigue, restoring mobility and comfort to your lower extremities. Now for our first powerhouse ingredient, apple cider vinegar. I'm using standard 5% acidity apple cider vinegar here. Go ahead and pour about a half cup to a full cup directly into your lukewarm water. Don't worry about the strong scent. The benefits are totally worth it. Apple cider vinegar is incredible for your feet. It contains natural alpha-hydroxy acids that gently exfoliate dry, cracked heels, making them incredibly soft. Plus, it has natural antibacterial and antifungal properties, which is perfect for thoroughly cleansing your feet, balancing your skin's pH, and eliminating any unwanted odors. Just let that blend right into the water. Next up, we are bringing in a household staple, good old Arm & Hammer baking soda. We're going to add about a half cup of this right into the mix. Watch what happens as soon as it hits that apple cider vinegar water. You get that satisfying, bubbling fizz. That chemical reaction isn't just fun to look at. It's actually working for you. Baking soda is amazing for neutralizing odors and acts as a gentle, soothing agent for tired, aching muscles. As it effervesces, it helps loosen up dead skin cells and deep cleans around your toenails and cuticles. If you deal with standard foot fatigue or minor swelling, this fizzing combination provides immediate, cooling relief. Once the fizzing settles down, the water will look a bit cloudy, and that's exactly what you want. Swirl your feet around to make sure the baking soda is fully dissolved. Now all you have to do is sit back, relax, and let this mixture do its magic for about 15 to 20 minutes. As you soak, you'll literally feel the tension and throbbing pain, leaving your arches and heels. It's the ultimate budget-friendly way to treat yourself to a spa day right at home. When you're all done, just pat your feet dry with a clean towel and lock in that moisture with your favorite lotion or oil. Trust me, your feet will feel lighter, softer, and completely refreshed. If you enjoyed this quick self-care hack, don't forget to hit that like button. Save this video for your next free evening, and subscribe for more easy DIY home and wellness routines. Let me know in the comments if you're trying this tonight. See you in the next video.